Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, but I'm going to be cleaning up my office/homeschool room and getting it ready for this upcoming year. If you are new to my channel, my name is Heather. I am a stay-at-home mom to a 3-year-old little girl, and we are getting ready to start our second year of homeschool preschool on July 5th. So as you can see, this room was pretty much a disaster over the last month. It's not been used for much. So we need to get this cleaned up and ready for school to start back in a few weeks. So we are going to start by cleaning off my desk and my husband's desk. We are working our way through reading the Bible in a year, hence why you see that Bible study book back there. But I'm going to get this cleaned up just because this space being unusable and consumed by my Bible is actually annoying me. So I'm going to clean that up, put it back all where it belongs, and then clean this up. There was a lot of pencil marks and pen marks. I'm also learning calligraphy and all kinds of dirty, weird stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and scrub this with a method cleaner and just get this desk nice and clean and as a fresh start for the school year.
'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need. But there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same.
Lately, I've been loving using my Scentsy in here. I have the Clothesline scent in currently, and it is by far my favorite so far. But I did receive a couple of comments recently asking if I'm still using essential oils. I saw that on my candle haul, which I'll link above if you didn't see it. And I am still using essential oils. I'm just kind of an indiscriminate scent lover. So I use whatever I'm drawn to that day, whether it be a candle, obviously only in the evening so it's safe for the toddler. But I use candles, essential oils, Scentsies, basically anything that will make my house smell good, I'm not going to refuse to use.
I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
Here, I'm just going through our big bookcase. This is from IKEA, and I'm taking off all the books that we used last school year, and I'm going to go through them and figure out which ones we want to keep, which ones we want to sell, and which ones we think we should just donate because they're not in good enough shape to sell. So I'm going to sit down at this desk and go through them all. I debated using them again this year, but I think we decided to go a different route, especially now that Abeka adds phonics into the 3-year-old program. I don't think I need to add 2 books a week, which is what we were doing. We were adding a book on the topic that we were learning about, and we were also adding a book about a general theme for the month. So I went through these. As you see, we didn't get rid of very many, but I'm just going to keep in here the ones that we will be using this school year, which are mainly about holidays.
With that worn-out truck and a lot of hope, she left one Thursday morn. Like the storm she came with, never let her go. God knows we didn't have much, but we gave all that we had to give.
I also keep bouncing around these pre-readers. You've probably seen me move them 3 or 4 times now. Just trying to figure out where to put them. We did also get the Usborne set of pre-readers, so I'm gonna have to redo the shelf again to find a room for those as well. Yeah. And then top shelf is pretty much mom area with my laminator and my hole puncher and stuff that I just don't want my daughter to get.
You gotta treasure
I will be filming an updated homeschool room tour in the near future if anyone is curious where any of this stuff is from. But I will also link up above my Amazon homeschool favorites video that I just did, because a lot of the smaller things you're seeing that I'm moving around are from Amazon, and all of the furniture is from IKEA. But I will do an updated tour to show you guys how this room is changing and growing for this next year.
You're always welcome here. So just keep going, find your way in this world. If you need us, we'll be there. Keep on searching for your
On top of the stressors where I always keep the books for our current mini unit, or made up mini unit, sometimes I make up my own. We were doing oceans this past month for our summer mini unit from Gather Round Homeschool. I have a video about that, I will link it up above. But here I'm just cleaning up from that. We finished all of those books, so I'm gonna go ahead and put up our books for our Independence Day unit, which we are using Campfire Curriculum's Independence Day mini unit. Again, I have a video about it, I'll link it up above, but I am so excited for this one. So I was really excited to set up, get all of our books up. We found all kinds of projects. I even bought a little colonial girl dress for Madison to wear, and we're gonna make home churned butter. Yeah, I might have gone a little overboard, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So you'll see the books go up in a minute here, but I also wanted to let you know that I will be doing a final review of the Oceans unit from Gather Round Homeschool in the next few weeks. We are still finishing it up. I think we have 3 or 4 lessons left. But after we finish those, I will do a video to tell you how we ended up liking it with our pre-reader.
But when I look at you now, there's no trace. I guess it's all been erased. You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way. We're underwater, we're off the shoreline. I try to reach you, but you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again. I'm not surprised that you're feeling this.
We are using Becca's curriculum for preschool, and in their preschool Bible curriculum, there is also patriotism, hence why I put the American flag up there so she can say her Pledge of Allegiance to it and start learning that. Next, I'm just gonna decorate this board for the first day of school. Kind of silly, and my handwriting is super sloppy, but I don't know, I wanted to doodle on the whiteboard that we just got, because we actually just got this the end of last school year. I think middle of May, late April. We got this off Amazon, super cheap. So this is really like my second time getting to write on it. And now I'm gonna go around and paint all these spots on my wall. If you've been following my channel for a while, you've probably noticed these in the background. This is from when we redid our office and we just were lazy and never filled in the holes because we both hate our walls. We have textured walls, which I will never buy again. And they're just so hard to patch. You have to spackle it, and then you have to spray on texture, and then you have to paint it. Like, I would rather just have to sand it flat. But we finally fixed all these holes and got them painted, so my office no longer has white spots. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of cleaning content. Comment down below and introduce yourself if you are new. And also tell me what you are using to make your house smell good today. And if you are new, welcome. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so that you see all my content every Tuesday and Friday. I hope I will see you in my next video. It will be a day early on Monday because it is a collaboration with a good friend of mine. So make sure you have your bell turned on so you see that video pop up Monday morning. But I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Sad stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond.